In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a new user to your Xero account. This useful feature allows you to collaborate with colleagues, accountants, or other business partners efficiently while controlling the level of access they have within your financial data. So, let's dive right into the steps you need to follow. First, you'll need to log into your Xero account using your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, take a quick look at your dashboard. You'll notice your organization's name prominently displayed at the top left corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open up a drop-down menu with several options for you to choose from. In the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Settings. Selecting this will take you into the Organization's Settings menu, where you can manage various aspects of your account. It's here where we'll be focusing on adding a new user. Next, locate and click on the option that says Users within the organization settings. This section is specifically designed for managing who has access to your Xero account and what level of permission they hold. Now that you're in the right place, your next step is to invite the user. You'll need to spot the Invite a User button, generally found in the top right corner of your screen. Give it a click, and you'll be prompted to fill in some essential information about the new user. Enter the first name and email address of the person you're inviting. This information is critical because it determines where the invitation will be sent. If you like, there's an option to add a personal touch by clicking Add a Message. This allows you to write a custom note that will be included in the email invitation. It's a great way to provide some context or explain the purpose of the invite. Once you've taken care of the user's basic details and optional message, the next step is absolutely crucial. Setting permissions. You'll see several access level options to choose from, and it's important to pick the one that best suits the new user's role in your organization. For instance, selecting Invoice Only will permit the user to create quotes, invoices, and bills, but leave out access to banks and reports. Standard User is great for someone involved in the day-to-day operations, while Advisor is often best for accountants or bookkeepers needing full access to the accounting features. If you simply want someone to view information without being able to make changes, Read Only will be your go-to option. Before wrapping up, take a moment to review all the details you've entered. This is your chance to ensure everything looks good and corresponds to what you intended. Once satisfied, give that Send Invite button a click. The user you invited will now receive an email inviting them to join your Xero organization. And there you have it, a seamless process for adding a new user to your Xero account. By following these steps, you can efficiently expand your network of collaborators while maintaining control over your financial data. Thank you for watching, and happy managing with Xero.